Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the lock screen notification display style on iOS 16. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Notifications. Here at the top of the notification settings, you can choose your desired notification style for the lock screen. By default, it is set to stack, which stacks notifications of the same type on top of each other. You can change it to count or list, which will show all notifications in a list instead of stacking them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS 16 tips and tricks.